Tom Bomer, the owner of High Water Hobbies. If you guys are in the Kayaking Watershed, give him a shout. He's got everything you need when it comes to whitewater. But we're going to go ahead and look at this electric-powered kayak. And what we have here is the first part of the intake. This is where the actual motor is, inside there. And then this is the impeller intake. Okay. And the impeller, you can't really see. You can kind of see it with the light. The impeller's back there. And then that has a convex nozzle, like it's smaller, and then squirts all the water out this way.
I knew I saw something weird on the body boat. Shit. Jet ski?
Alright guys, so I'm just going to provide a little bit of commentary over this thing, because this is a test video. We're just testing the kayak, we're not trying to do crazy lines. I just want to talk to you about my experience. So this is the initial kind of upstream test to see how it performs in moving water.
She kicks awake.
It did really well. So we're getting underway. We're just doing the loop section of the lower Yakagani.
Dude, it makes turning eddies insanely easy.
And it really does. It really does make turning into eddies a dream. Now I was going to try to surf this little guy, and I got pushed down a little bit, and I didn't want to waste the battery.
I don't want to waste that.
So just decided to peel on out. Now right here, I'm starting to hit the gas, and I'm really surprised at how fast I'm moving, because I'm not using my power for most of it. I'm really using my paddle strokes to guide my bow. It's kind of like an electric mountain bike with an assist.
It's like a lazy boater stuck in wet dream.
So yeah, so I'm just lining myself up with cucumber right now, and I'm not trying to take any aggressive lines. Again, just sort of feeling how the boat moves. Hey, shout out to Ohio Photography in this guy. He shot the video. This guy was pretty stoked. Alright, so I really wanted to see how it does right here. I'm not using my power that much at all. And pulling out into cucumber, like that's a great little surf spot. It was kind of high today, so the wave was blown out. But I want to come back with full battery and just kind of sit there and see how high up I can attain cucumber, because I think it's possible to actually attain cucumber with this setup. So this is lining up for the Camel Walrus booth, and I don't fly high, but I fly far, like farther than I normally would, which was a pretty big surprise. And this little booth over the top of this pole, I mean, that was amazing. Like I just shot completely over it. I really started picking up speed right here. I didn't want to hit that rock because it's stout, like the build quality's stout. But anyway, this booth was fun. And for reference, that's not normal on that booth. And there you can see what it looks like. Like you're pretty much just sort of leaning and guiding the slide of your stern. Just zipping across that. I can't begin to express how easy it is to just move through this attainment coming up here, because this is a very difficult attainment under normal power. It's a good test of your skills as a kayaker. And I've done it a couple times, but yeah. I mean, look at that. It's just nothing, just like butter.
What? That's so sick.
That's pretty stoked. Now, the thing is, the bow comes up and it makes you want to lean back, but if you lean forward, you lose your plane. So it's kind of interesting. You have to find this middle ground to get like maximum speed. Now here's Don getting a lap in, and my horrible cameraman abilities kind of didn't capture his run, but he had fun.
Not being on the gas. Isn't it weird? That's fucking crazy. I'm staring up at the whole shit. Look at the bow. I was like, oh shit, this thing's gonna fucking play out.
Yeah, we had a good time. It was smiles all day.